Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Yeah, silver doesn't really have the clearest microstructure at the moment. I find the gold chart much clearer at the moment. I took a look at that today. We can make a video about gold tomorrow. Let me know if you're interested in that. But a lot of people ask for a silver update, and I think yeah, it's worth to do an update because silver reached in the third wave the blue target area and actually maxed it out, reached the 161.8 extension. If I remember correctly, we talked about this in the last video. At least I haven't moved anything on this chart since the last update. The idea was potential 5 up, 3 down move here, and we were watching for another third wave rally as long as this red line is holding. So really close to invalidation. The market started that rally. It's a 3-wave move up, however, and it could be a third wave and now a 4th wave down with one more high to come in a 5th wave. Main takeaway here is I need to see the 5 waves in order to be able to confirm that a wave 2 bottomed here on the 19th of December. It already doesn't really have the right look, I think, but you know, if we break below the red line, then we are obviously going to test most likely that $28 level down there. So the red line is still relevant because this is the invalidation point. It still is, because if this is a diagonal, I mean, ideally in a diagonal pattern, we don't want the price to break below the 61.8 retracement of the third wave, but we're already at the 61.8 fib level there. So it shouldn't really drop much lower. Now, I'm going to leave the 78.6 fib level on the chart here at $29.12 because I can see the potential that this is an AB. So what might work in an alternative scenario is 1, 2, I'm going to change the wave degree in a minute, that we are still in the third wave, a larger diagonal pattern. I'm going to change that to blue. So 1, 2, and then A, B, C in a larger third wave, right? This, in my view, would look better. But either way, you know, it depends on whether support will hold or not. At the moment, we are holding above support, but without any confirmation that a local low has formed. So I want to give it space all the way down to, let's say, $29. The 78.6 retracement, any break below it, I think will favor another low here in this larger support area, which would then emphasize that this wave 2 never finished on the 19th of December. Certainly not impulsive to the upside. I find the gold chart has a little bit more of a clearer microstructure. I've been saying that for many weeks now, and I still think that is the case. I just don't see at the moment the clear setup on the silver chart that would suggest the market is going to explode soon, even though it is possible. But again, this start again would confirm that further because it's just overlapping mess here, which could easily lead to another low. I mean, what does it mean? It means the bulls are not yet clearly winning, even though support is holding. It's not impulsive to the upside. So this would again be just a diagonal. And then when that's full, we can call it a wave 1, add the next support for a wave 2. But yeah, the price can't really build that upside momentum at this stage that we would really want to see. So next support is at $29.44 and then $29.12. These are the levels I would watch for next. I would at least observe next, and below that level, if the price then also breaks below the red line, which would be very likely, you know, should there be a break below the 78.6 fib level at $29, I assume we're heading down to $28 or $27 next. Yeah, these next 2 fib levels in the larger support area. So just a quick update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then feel free to check out the stocks and S&P 500 service for stocks updates and updates about the S&P 500 on a daily basis. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.